Let us consider example from matrix. That means let A and B what? Two sets that contain 15 and 70 elements respectively. ምን ማለት ነው? This is what? It is given that number of element of A is what? That is 15. Similarly, number of element of what? This is B is equal to what? That is 17. It is given. And if number of A intersection B contains, that means ምን ተሰጥቶናል? የጋራቸው የሆነው number of element ተሰጥቶናል. Number of A intersection B is equal to what? ስንት ነው? That is 10. Then የተጠየቀው ምንድነው? What is the number of element of what? A union B ምን ይሆናል ነው? That means what is that? Number of element of what? A union B is equal to, as we see so before the formula, what's that? Number of A, yes, plus number of B minus what? Their intersection, yes, their intersection. That means number of A intersection B ይሆናል። ስለዚህ what's the number of A? Number of A is equal to what? That is 15 plus number of B is what? That is 17 minus their intersection is what? That is 10. 15 plus 13 is what? That is, 17 is what? This is what? 32 ይሆናል ማለት 32 minus what? 10. 32 minus 10 is what? That is 22. So, number of A elements of A union B is equal to what? 22. From the given choice, the choice that is C ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Similarly, number of A ተሰጥቶን number of B ተሰጥቶ union ተሰጥቶ intersection ብንፈልግ በተመሳሳይ ፎርሙላ አፕላይ አድርገን መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። For instance, if say number of A intersection B is empty set ነው ከተባል ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? That means number of what? A union B is equal to what? Number of what? A plus number of what? ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ the same problem ተሰጥቶን ይሄን ፕሮብለም similarly ተሰጥቶን ነገር ግን ኢንተርሴክሽናቸው ይሄ ኤምፒቲ ነው ብንባል ይሄኛው መሆኑ ይቀርና this is ይሄም ሳይሰጥ if A intersection B is equals empty set ብንባል ምን ይሆናል? number of A union B number of A plus number of B ይሆናል። ያ ማለት ነው 15 ሲደመር 17 ይሆናል is equal to 32 እንላለን ማለት ነው። ይሄ የሚያሳየው ምን ማለት ነው? የጋራ የላቸውም ማለት ነው። የጋራ ከሌላቸው ምን ቀንሰው 0 ይሆናል።